Very good.
Right, Ed? It's not purple, it's eggplant. Our next class are muscle cars. Speaking of Detroit, this is the home of muscle cars. This is sponsored by Lingenfelder Performance Engineering with our presenter Ken Lingenfelder. The judges were Greg Cockerell, Rex Roy, and Tony Hussein. There were 15 cars in the class, and there are 3 Lion Awards, starting with the 1970 Plymouth Cuda hardtop, owned by Len Grimsley of Addison, Illinois. You heard me talk a little bit about that car earlier, but Bob, go ahead.
I think this is a Hemi Cuda. Oh, this is a 383, okay. This is the Barracuda was a sport model built by the Plymouth Company. What are muscle cars? Muscle cars, essentially, you had the pony cars that came out in 1965, Mustang, Barracuda, and GTOs. Yeah, the GTO started in really 1960. And what it is you have I call it a lower price chassis, and you dump a large V8 in it. And that